Hello, this is Christina Hammond, Instructional Technology Coach for Medina City Schools. This video will give you a tutorial on the new tech request system. So why are we changing? 3 reasons. 1, this new software will provide a cost savings for the district because this is free software to us. 2, the technicians and network team are able to customize this software to specifically meet our needs. And 3, customer service. The technicians and network team hope to provide a more personal and timely customer service experience with all teachers and staff. So what is the tech request process? Currently, teachers have to submit a tech request through a third party, meaning in the elementary schools, you have to submit through a tech liaison. In the middle schools and in the high schools, you have to submit through a tech liaison or your building secretaries. Now, every teacher and secretary will have their own account. Each individual will be able to submit their own requests in this system. By doing so, individuals will be in direct contact with the assigned technician handling each individual request. Teachers and secretaries will be able to sign in and submit this request and provide all information pertaining to that request. After the request is submitted, there will be emailed updates and communications sent back and forth between technician and teacher. So how do I submit my tech request? First, you'll want to refer to the basic troubleshooting checklist located on Blackboard. In Blackboard, if you go under your Community Organizations list and look for Instructional Technology. There, over here on the left, if you click the Help link, you will see the Routine Teacher Troubleshooting Tasks. Click the link, and this will give you a list of things that you can try, if you are able to, before submitting your requests. Any of these items that you are able to try before submitting your request, you will want to note in your tech request so the technicians know what you have already tried to do. Next, you'll log into the tech request system. This link will be added to Blackboard under the staff links page. So once you are to the website to submit your request, you will enter your username and password. This username and password is the same as the login information that you use when you log on to any computer. Once you sign in, there is a form for you to fill out your request. First, select your building. Next, type in your room location. Third, you'll select the type of issue that you have. Next, you'll find the green asset tag that is located on the device and type in that number. You'll set a priority, critical, medium, and low. We're going to discuss these definitions here in a moment. You'll want to provide a brief summary, so this should just be a short description of the issue. Finally, there is a text box for you to provide any specific details that you can regarding the situation. This is where you will want to indicate if you tried any other troubleshooting measures up to this point, or any other information that you can provide, such as if there was an error code on the screen. If you're able to take a picture, you can do so and you can attach that. Finally, you'll click Submit. When you are filling out your tech request, there are 3 priority levels that you can choose from: critical, medium, and low. The priority level critical should only be used when it is something that is an emergency. So in other words, This is when a technician will have to drop everything and alter his pre-planned work order schedule for that day in order to fix it. So some examples would be your teacher computer in your classroom is not working, you've tried things, and you have no other computer in your room that you can use for that day. Another example would be a student computer that is not working, but it is required in order to satisfy an IEP or other accommodations for that day. Third would be some sort of a safety issue. There are frayed cords, you see sparks, hear sparks, something is smoking. That would all be classified as critical. A medium level will be where many of the issues will fall. This is an issue that's important and it needs to be fixed, but just at the next available opportunity. So for example, if you go to a computer lab or you book a cart and for some reason that lab was not usable, you would indicate that in your tech request. For that day, you'll use your plan B. And finally, the low priority will be things such as routine tasks. Maybe you need a software update on your computer. There is a program and you're not able to do your own updates, but you would need that update sometime in the near future. So what happens next? Once you click submit, a tech ticket will automatically be generated and a copy will be emailed to you. You will want to save this. After that, you'll be notified of all updates and changes. For example, when the technician is assigned to your request, you will receive an email indicating who your technician is. If that technician needs additional information, he will be able to email you directly to find out whatever information it is he still needs. Finally, once the issue has been resolved, you will be notified that the issue has been resolved and what exactly was done to fix it. Additionally, if something changes, such as you're able to fix the problem yourself, or if you have additional information, you can reply to the original email, or you can log back into the tech request system and you can update your ticket so your technician knows that things have changed. For additional help, you can contact your building tech liaisons in the elementary and the middle schools. You can contact John for elementary, Christina for middle school and high school, or Sandy Downey for general account information or other general information pertaining to this system. This video along with this PowerPoint will also be added to the training pages on Blackboard.